Hi, David Odell here with Odell Complete Concrete. This is my son's job, because this is actually his job, my older son, Timothy. This is part 2 of a 4-part series. Part 1, we did the complete demo of the existing patio cover, concrete, raised wood deck. And today, we're going to be showing this little retaining wall going in here. And the type of blocks that we're using here are stackable. They're called LGR6 Jumbo Block from Orco. So we're just going to set them on the gravel base. And then we're going to glue them together with some construction adhesive. We just 45'd it there just to get our corner. So we have a freestanding patio cover also, you can kind of see in the background there. We'll show a lot more of that detail of that aluminum wood patio cover going up in part 3 and 4. A string line at the front and back. And the back one's probably more crucial since that's the straight edge.
Alright, what is going on, you guys? It is base day and retaining wall day. We've already gotten pretty far back here. Didn't really get to do a morning shot, but I did want to update you guys really quick with what we're doing and how we've got it done. Alright, so you can see right now the caps, the block. We kind of laid it out how we're going to be setting this retaining wall up back here. We got all our string lines set up. Pretty sure I explained that to you guys already. All that process. We got our pavers here too. So we're a little behind on getting all of our stuff put together, but we're trying to move faster. Here is the patio cover, all set in stone. We got a little bit of base back here, graded out. We put string lines pretty much from the furthest point of the patio to the drains to find our slope, exact slope, so we can grade properly. Here's all the block. It's a charcoal LGR6 jumbo block, stackable, mortarless, really nice and easy to put in, and they look gorgeous. Here's Neo. He's actually a fan of the channel. I found this guy on Craigslist. You know, he was looking to learn a little bit about pavers, and I said, yeah, come on over and let's learn.
Thanks, Tim.
Yeah. So hope you're learning something today.
Yeah, it's really good. Good stuff, guys.
Yeah, I didn't even know he was a fan of the channel.
Been for a while.
Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so here's the block though that we're setting right now. We got a nice little 45 angle right here on both blocks to make that perfect 90 right there. And we just got a string line. Well, we had a string line set up right here, following the block all the way down to where Juan's at right now, just so we can get a perfectly straight line. And now we're just getting ready for this next little corner turn right here. We're getting this next corner turn in so that we can start setting the next block up. But what I'm gonna do to make this really nice and easy is I'm gonna go all the way to the end down there, laser level. We actually have a benchmark already set up on that block right there. So I'm gonna laser from this point all the way down to that point, set a string line up so we have the perfect height, so when we're setting block we can move a little bit quicker. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, comment down below, guys, and I'll try to explain in the comment section, or we can always make a specific video for you guys.
So on these retaining walls, this is definitely this stuff's designed for pretty DIY. Basically, pavers, these retaining walls, it's all stackable, very forgiving. There's really no time restraint on it, which is nice. You can do it at your leisure if need be. He's got a steel mallet there, and he's using a wood stake on top of that. Hits the wood stake rather than the actual block, because it would probably crack it if you didn't have something soft in between. So at the end of this straight run, they have that final block set, and that's at the beginning of the radius that's going to wrap around that tree. On the top course, we're going to use that construction adhesive on the top course and the cap. Alright, here's the start of the radius coming around the tree. One foot out from the vinyl fence. That way, if they ever have to do any work on that fence, posts or anything, they can without disturbing the new retaining wall. On that corner block over there where it makes the turn, we're gonna come up the back of those corners with a little bit of concrete mortar just to tighten it up as it makes that turn. So the caps are really irregular, so you want to run your string line whatever you're going to see the most. In this case, it'll be the front face of it, so that's where the string line will be ran.
Why are you doing this?
To hold the cap.
Got
That way
it.
it doesn't move out of place.
Right.
Boys.
Alright, Juan, what did you do here with the string line?
I just have a straight front cap.
Right. Gotcha.
Have it lined up. That's it. Just that's all you need. Just that. Just some strong adhesive. Got a lucky one. Coming together.
So at the height of this retaining, it's ideal as a sitting area also, kind of like a bench seat. All right, that wall's looking pretty good at this point. It's looking real nice. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button. That way you'll be notified when we upload part 3. And have a good day. Thank you.